Good morning, grade eights. Welcome to our first day of some chaotic online learning. And this is going to be a new experience for all of us. I haven't done this before, and I don't think many of you have done this before. So we're going to learn together. Today, I put this video out for you just to kind of lead you through what we're going to be doing just over today and tomorrow. And we'll try a whole bunch of different things and see what works best for everybody. But today, if you made it this far, you made it onto the math website here and you clicked on this video that got us started. There's two things that I want to look at today. The first is this quiz that we looked at before spring break. There was a whole bunch of people away that last week before spring break, and then we never really went back. So that was a long time ago now. If I want to have a look at these, usually I can just click on these and I'll get this little tab in the corner, a pop-out tab. And if I click on that, it should open up this in a new tab. And then from here, I can print this if I want. I can go over to the printer, or I could download it, or I could work right off screen. It doesn't really matter, whatever you want to do. And these are things that we've been working on for a long time. The first question here is a Pythagorean question. The second one is as well. Remember, you need to know what the hypotenuse is, right, for these ones. So you're figuring out the hypotenuse for this. Find the right angle and go straight across. If you're looking for a lesson on these, I think back in February, maybe February 10th or 12th, there was actually a little video tutorial on this. So if you need to go back and have a look at that, then do that. And then you need to know how to do the area of two-dimensional objects before you can do the volume of cylinders and triangular prisms and rectangular, any kind of prisms. So we have to get this stuff done first. The trapezoid is the weirdo, remember? And then we have a circle and then a couple of volume questions here. I'm going to go back to our main web page. Once you're done that, click on this one, and this is the answer key. Try to do it without the answer key first, but have a look and see. Now, it's just my messy printing here. I scanned this a little bit earlier, and what I want you to do is see what you did right and see what you did wrong. If you have trouble with them, let me know, and I'll walk you through it. I can actually make a video answer key of all this so you can see step by step, but only if you need me to do that. I don't want to waste a whole bunch of our time if that's unnecessary. So I want you to give that a try. Maybe do that first thing. And if you need to use your notes to find out the formulas, then try that too, and just see what you remember from way back a long time ago. And then once you're done that, then you can go to today's lesson, and that's what this is here. So I'm going to click on this, and this is again a review. This is stuff we've already done. We're opening up here. A lot of you have this. It might be in your math binder at school. It might be at home. I'm not sure. So page 182 and 183 are the pages I want you to look at today. And these are volume ones. And if some of you will need some extra help with this, let me know and we'll go over this. We can even meet in Google Hangout or another video chat forum, and I can help you with it step by step. If you don't need help, then just go through this. Give these a try. When you're doing volume, remember what you have to do is get the area of one of the sides. So for this, what I need to do is get the area of maybe this front face here, right? This front side. And that would be 10 by 6. And the area is base times height. So 10 times 6 is 60, and then multiply by the other dimension. So 10 times 5 times 6, or 10 times 6 times 5, 5 times 6 times 10. It doesn't matter. It's all going to be 300 centimeters cubed. Now this one here is partly done for you. It's got this shaded area right here, which is the same as the top shaded area. And it's 8 centimeters squared. So that's already the area of that. I just have to multiply that by the height right here, and I get 64 centimeters cubed. Volume is always in cubed. I think I said that for the first one, 300 centimeters cubed. If I didn't, it's always in cubed. Now, even with a triangular prism or a cylinder, you still get the area of one of the ends and multiply by the height. So if I had to calculate the area of the circle, I would need the radius, and then area equals pi times the radius squared, but I don't need that. It's already given to me. And I take this and I multiply this by 5, and I get 60. The same with this here. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, but I don't have those dimensions and I don't need them because it already tells me the area of this end is 16, and then I just need to multiply that by the, whatever we want to call this. It could be the height or the depth or the length, the other dimension. So just 12 times 16. This one here, I actually do have to do a little bit more work because it doesn't give me the area of the triangle, but it gives me everything I need to figure out the area. I need to multiply the base times the height. Now this triangle is upside down, but that doesn't matter. You can turn your page upside down if you really want to, and that would sort it out. So I multiply 10 times 6 divided by 2, because triangles you always divide by 2, trapezoids you always divide by 2. And I get 60 divided by 2, which is 30. And then I multiply by the other dimension, the height here, times 15. So I think that's 450 centimeters cubed. If I got that wrong, then that's okay. You can correct me politely. I'm not using a calculator. The next page, more of the same stuff. Now this one's kind of an interesting shape. It's a hexagon, but you have everything you need to figure out how to do this, because I know the area of this end already. So it's 144. And then I multiply this by the other dimension, which is 5. And it doesn't matter if we call it the depth or the height. Depends if it's standing on end or laying on its side. This times this, and then I'll get whatever that equals. I'll figure it out for you right now. 144 times 5 is 720 centimeters cubed. And it doesn't really matter how you want to show this. I'll work on it tomorrow with you more and show you different ways you can show it. But for now, it's enough to figure out what the area of the end is, multiply the other dimension. Okay, that's the same for 9 and 10. 11 is partly done for you. You already have this area. Then multiply by this. Okay, that's it. If you can get these 2 pages done, show whatever work you have. And then if you get stuck on them, let me know. Send me an email. You could probably send me a text. Tomorrow we're all going to meet together in a Google Hangout or a Google Chat, and we won't do it a group of 60. We might do it just to say hi to everybody, but in terms of math, we'll do it in smaller groups, and we can work through this together. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Don't be nervous. Don't worry about it. Just enjoy this. It's not going to be hours and hours of school every day. We're aiming to give you about 2 hours of school, maybe 3 on some days. So that means a lot of time for you to relax and just take that as a silver lining. So I'm going to go back to our website here, and that's the video. It's not there yet. I'm going to upload it when I'm done here. But that's today's lesson, and that's your work for the day. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.